Industrial businesses face a lot of risks today. Cyber risks, employee fraud, employee injuries from safety protocol avoidance, environmental accidents, equipment failures, global exposure to risks without real-time data, unexpected losses, vehicle accidents, product liability, property damage, supply chain interruption, suspended operations. Manufacturing facilities are high-risk environments. Fatigue, complacency, and carelessness further increase risks. ClearImage AI technology allows you to achieve value chain optimization, production optimization, reduction in emissions, and energy usage for bigger profits. Our industrial AI trains with data and testing to refine your business opportunities, using intelligent learning behaviors to find solutions. For engineers and architects, our AI optimizes designs for strength, weight, and material usage. Companies achieve better business outcomes. The AI drives operational excellence and facilitates transitions to new, more profitable business models. ClearImage AI technology detects minute irregularities in machinery, saving your equipment before massive failures cost big money. Our tech drives sustainable business value. ClearImage AI Industrial AI cuts through inefficient habits with data-driven decisions across the entire company, incorporates market information to optimize the value chain, using real-time prices of inputs and outputs to make your company more efficient and much more profitable. ClearImage AI, the future of industry.